Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ban pensuk ya kispa anggut ki khana Skul Kathan, ke Meghalaya Board of School Education, kala Thoh ya ka Wapung Secondary School Wapung, kum ke center ke Bathymmai, nak banta ban Thoh ya ka examen Sslc. Kani ke jaka Thoh examen ke Wapung Secondary School Wapung, ke bahap hapo ke Wapung CNRD block, kade ke jindawa ke belas lambha, namar ki khana Skul ki bangat hakani ke center ke Bathymmai, menshwa ki hab ban Thoh examen sheduk clear riat bat dubar. Dak jing sngo kemen halor ke jingyo center Thamai ki board penyat jong ke skul ke khat santar risau ki lepenong ke jingalang ke bakerpang ha ke bau MDC ke than uba pasmon dekhar ulalong ke mukong san ban play ya umau nongrim ha ke jinon lang USDO Sardar Kleriat u Aditya Verma IAS bat kiwei uba pasmon dekhar ha ke jingkren ula pertoy ki riurang ba jong ke shnong Wapung kumju ke school managing committee bawat hapdeng ki jing hende ki treshitom na kabenta ki khon ka than na du ki snam ki baralet no hak ba ki laprat lenti ban penyat hak rukom ka badai ban penyo ya kani ka center hak ni ka juga sngi la pen ku buram ru ki sau pusangut ki khna ki bala pendap ya ka examen SSLC bat HSSLC la pen phu pen pheng ya kani ka sngi da ki jing shat bat jing ruai na ki khna jong kani ka school
hosket how poi hanu kani ka ski jing dalti dem tahu yo igen center kamu nak kena gi wa klama padonga e kuplay ya ki wa he wa sien dong yo ma chong tahu wa the line ti naga pol chagwi ka por naga stem chagwi stem naga mid chagwi mid lalti gi dem ta ubniyo yang kami sedang hadir di stong ini. Hosket miulan yang dikreasi mungkin. Henry hepor yongki taman udang bon gidang catut bon gi kam gijam umjuk membaik ko Henry tahu ngor IQ nang ba jing na yongki egi yang kat ni present SMC bukan ni Daegi yang khakti khakja dongki priyogi ki wagidi ki wagate yunang politiki hosket uyo yang di center untuk wasuk bon bhagate bojam bon bhagate ke lom duki ka ni duki yu twat yu poi hado di bintang hado di klimat uyo di center hendai ngai le pi de tipi yang history into ini the sakwila jing yo yang center hadis dong pensuko yang ketan HD kamtam kicnong yang chnong ni do chnong pabra kamai do chnong bara bai slu chnong mukep yang galo sokompor kicnong wa pero macam ini da pensuko yang connect yogi ulai Thoh metrik hosket Hapai cakastem benchua bon bahagi kena skor mana kam tigi cekliret duki mat jaga blok duki mat jaga sagari senti bon gida wa memyo upoi hasintar ubeng por sa exam libau ai tegi blok andre katewan ngai lewa jingjo yang ni sentar hani opong skor Dapat suka yang pelajar sedang banyak tahu. Dapat suka yang kam kejam ulai uwan. Dapat suka le yang bagi pa memende tension di konflik ki dementa ulai kam tiki konki. Leba sistem nas kur konki reality ki hendai mana po ada isti Thoh exam menyok umat develop kat nu thang mesin ki dan jing emu sentara ta ini war no ite kulit war suku itu sakuila wa jing Thoh wali center ong epi ngakap MDC jing Thoh wali nanti yang center ko SMC hosket Newland any intervention no Minister Arun Siang jing to ini boni ka majam utut tandrai sedang ngoyo blai pada AUE kita lat inti wakam pada ang nor ki wa he wani majami wakam da ang nor ki wa ki SMC yang ikat ni kita chong song yang ikat ni blai mpedo andai AUE lat inti uyot yang ni yang kena sentar kan liang ayok di por ukit bok kriwianga jaga skor jaga Wapung Skul wa gani center upun suko yang kita tahu macam gani center penmigo yang klor wa mustaban gawi wan ra yang nam ke buram hapo ke distrik hapo ke state kebegla umiyang wan ra gi yang nam ke buram untuk do he private untuk do he doctor engineer he jo ipo la le sports he jo ke le academics. And my message to the students today is please work hard, please focus on your books, please focus on your life, take care of your deeds and actions, take care of your thoughts, because for your thoughts will turn into action. Take care of your action, for your action will turn into your habits. Take care of your habits, for your habits will turn into your character. And please take care of your character, for your character will be your destiny. This is my message to all the students. Please take good care of yourself, study hard, and may God bless you, and may God bless all of us present here today. So take the best of what you can, and may you soar higher and higher. May God bless all of you. Thank you so much.
Now, I want to pose you a question. And the question is, do you guys know what you want to become? After 5 years or 10 years, in what field would you be? Do you have a clear idea? If you have, then it's very good. Because when I was your age, I did not have any idea what I wanted to become in my life. And it takes time to figure out what do you want to do in your life. So I would like you to remind that take your time. Take your time in deciding what you want to do. It does not mean that you want to do stuff in studying only. You can be anything. You can pursue music, you can pursue dance, you can pursue acting, any field that you choose. You can be a scientist. But the important thing is, give your thought and decide what you want to become. If you want to become a doctor or an engineer or a teacher, every profession is noble. There is no profession less or more. But the point is decide. And then when you decide what you want to become, put all of your energy in that. All your energy. Don't leave any stones unturned. Whatever time you have, whatever resources you have, there is no poor or rich thing if you have your dreams set. Believe in yourself. How many of you have you seen Naruto? It is an anime, and its basic motto line is that have believe in yourself. Although it is a cartoon, but it is a very, very powerful message. And when you have believe in yourself, then every door opens. I was just seeing some of you were laughing when some of the students were performing the very good dance that they did and the singing that they did. It's very easy to laugh from sitting there in the chairs, and because it's a very comfortable space. But when you come here, when you dance, when you speak, it's a difficult position to put you in because it is an uncomfortable zone. And in life, if you want to become a diamond, you have to take the heat. You have to become something, then you have to be in uncomfortable zone. And when you are there, when you expose yourself to the heat, then you become powerful. And then only you can present to the world what kind of diamond you are. Don't be in the comfort zone. It's fine to relax, it's fine to enjoy your life, but at the same time you should know when you have to be serious. Don't waste this time. Nobody gets these resources and opportunities. You have it in your hand, and you can simply write your destiny with that. So put all of you, whatever you have at your disposal, itni mehnat kariye, itna put the labor into it, and the desired results will be in your hands. Okay? Chalo. Kublai Shibun. Thank you so much.
MDC nay por na pneu I lar gulti ha ga nu thawo yu lai ha nu thawo sia I khnang wo yo pen urlong ya gani ga SSLC center yang I ni chnong tere yu le dorbar chnong manawan director sini da ong I kita em kam dorbar chnong ne daga jing ekra lang we SMC da bon gi benta wa ka da man go kam ga sponsoring body nam ta gani school de rap o pen chna open met pen bahaya gani school hado man go kamu man go ate aw yi jing se komen go kro ba te sni da ong yi na le nga de yu bit de yu byang bhaw e ga sentar ga ni school ang pi am te malum mala da ong yi happy pen chna pen le pen dun hawa hanin kam da yu ye ga ni ka compound na du gi wall ni te da le upa MDC bad ni da le da ga dor bas nong bad yu ga building le da pen MDC yung yi bar kam ju le ya gi pain khana nam tai khana school adep ta haga arpavitrik August arjar arpso da yo ya ka notification order wa ong wa ya ga ni ga Wapung secondary school da ye no wo peman ya ka kam gawi na ga center wo Thoh trik